Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a delicious and traditional South Indian sweet kesari bath recipe. Let's start. Take a one pan, heat a few seconds of pan, add a 3 or 4 tablespoons of ghee. In the same pan, 1 cup of rava, roast the rava low flame until you get a nice aroma. Make sure not to burn it. Add a pinch of food color. You like that? Green kesari look. Looks like a good. Now slowly add the boiling water to the roasted rava. Stir continuously to avoid lumps. Cook it for a few minutes. The rava absorbs all the water. Kesari.